Hi guys, it is Teacher Brett, and I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you something that I've been working on. A lot of you have seen the big Bitmoji craze and making Bitmoji classrooms, but I wanted to show you how you can make this work for a life skills classroom, especially if you're doing stuff virtually or if you just want to give them something to kind of work on independently. I have made a Bitmoji life skills life skills activity here. So I've got a kitchen with some things that are wrong in the kitchen, things we need to clean up or things we need to do. And I can do a more detailed on how I made this, but I just want to kind of give you a quick show. I have a link for this. It's free down there at the bottom. If you want to use this, you can copy it onto your Google Slides and just change out your Bitmoji. But you'll see here different things that they can click on. So we have dirty dishes. We need to clean those up. If they click on the dirty dishes, it takes them to this page. Yes, we need to wash the dishes. What soap should I use? Now they have to click the correct soap to use the dishes. Obviously, if they click hand soap or the laundry soap, nothing's going to happen. So we want them to click the Dawn soap, and that will be correct. And then they can click the arrow to go back to the kitchen. Same thing with the milk. They have to choose where to put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. We want to put it in the refrigerator. Spaghetti sauce, we need to clean that up. Which product should we use? We want to use the regular all-purpose cleaner, not the toilet bowl or the window cleaner. We've got trash. They need to pick recycling or regular trash bin. And then we have a pile of dirt here, and they need to choose what they would use to clean that up with. So we would use a dustpan. So it's just a quick, simple room, kind of self-checking thing that they can do. If you're interested in getting a free copy of that, just click the link below, and please give me a like or a subscribe as a thank you for all of my efforts. And if you want to get notified of more great things, I'll be trying to put different things I'm doing up here for you guys. I know some of you have been interested, especially moving towards virtual teaching. Hope this helps. See you guys soon. Hope you're having an awesome day. Bye, everyone.